Welcome. In front of me is a ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to bypass the screen lock on the device. So as you can see, the device is set up and you would have to normally insert a password, and assuming you don't know it, all you need to do is hold Control, Alt, Shift and press R. So I'm gonna lift up the laptop just so you can see. So basically Control, Alt, Shift and R, which I kind of need to do some finger gymnastics, and when you press that it shows up with this. So I'm gonna do that once more. There we go. So I'm gonna press cancel and do it once more just so you can see the screen. That's basically what happens, and from there simply tap on restart and wait for the device to restart. Now once it's gonna boot back up and give us the option to reset the device. Now this will include removing basically all the data from the device, so if there's some kind of photos or videos that you might want to keep, those will be removed. So as you can see, let's click on the power wash right here, and as you can see, power wash to reset your Chromebook device to be just like new. All user accounts and local data will be removed. So like I said, basically if there's anything that you would like to keep, you will have to find a way to back it up if it's possible, and if not, well, you will lose it. Once you click on the power wash and continue, this will begin the process of resetting it, and it's a fairly quick one. Only takes about like 10 seconds or so, and it's almost done. And there we go, we're now finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.